I'm going to launch After Effects, which is the purple AE block that you've got down here. And I'm going to show you around the platform, show you how to navigate around the different windows and point out the key windows and palettes that you'll be using. So the first window that we're going to look at is up in the top here on my screen, and that's called the project window. That is similar to that in Premiere Pro, in that you import your assets into this section here. Okay, so this is the first section that you'll work with, and you'll import any assets that you're going to use in your project. The second window down here, it says none at the minute, and that's because we've not got a project set. Okay, so as soon as you start a composition, you will name it and it will be shown in this window down the bottom. This is similar to your timeline in Premiere Pro, but this is actually called a composition window. So unlike Premiere Pro, where everything is called a sequence, so what you build is a sequence, in After Effects what you build is actually called a composition. And then the third window is your composition playback window. So anything that you create in here, when you hit play to play it back, you'll be able to see what happens there up in the composition playback. Now, down the right hand side, you've got a variety of palettes. Each of those can be controlled, as with other Adobe programs, up by using the window menu. So you can see which ones are open because we've got ticks on them. Most importantly, I would say at the start, is to have the Effects and Presets tab open. So you can see the palette here. We'll be using quite a few of those as we go through the tutorials. As you start adding text, obviously you've got things like your paragraph, and as I say, anything up here you can start kind of adding character. So if we go into character, we've got all our typefaces. Okay, you can customize, so making your windows different sizes. And don't forget that if you come to Window, Workspace, Reset Standard, if you get into a bit of a mess. Okay, so that is, in a nutshell, the After Effects platform.